नजर से ही यारा बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं।
बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम, बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम। कसम चाहे ले लो, कसम चाहे ले लो, खुदा की कसम। बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम।
Followers of wall described by Muhammad Nurtajul Islam. Everybody loves followers. A follower is a thing of beauty. A thing of beauty is joy forever. Followers are the most beautiful objects of nature. They have made our world beautiful, so we should take care of followers. Follower kinds, size, color and smell described by Muhammad Nurtajul Islam. There are different kinds of followers. They differ in size, shape, color and smell. Some are red, some are yellow, some are green, some are white, some are pink and some are multicolored. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور. Usefulness of followers described by Muhammad Nurtajul Islam. Usefulness of follower. We love followers for their beauty and scent. They are symbols of beauty and purity. We use followers as a token of love, respect and gratitude.